Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fill out IRS Form 8824, which is used for like-kind exchanges. So this form is important if you exchange one investment or business property for another similar property, because it helps you report the transaction and figure out if there's any taxable gain. So let's walk through it step by step. At the top of the form, you'll enter your name and identification number. Just make sure that this matches your tax return. Now, in part 1, this section is about basic details of the exchange. On line 1, you describe the property that you gave up. Then on line 2, you describe the property that you receive. Keep the description simple but clear. Next, you'll enter key dates. So this includes when you originally got the property, when you transferred it, when the replacement property was identified, and when you received it. Just follow the format shown on the form. There's also a question asking if the exchange was with a related party. You'll check yes or no. If you select yes, you'll need to complete part 2. And moving to part 2, this section is only for related party exchanges. You'll enter the related person's name, address, and relationship to you. Then answer the question about whether either party sold or disposed of the property within a certain time frame. Now let's go to part 3. So this is where you calculate the financial details. You'll start by entering the fair market value of the property that you gave up, then its adjusted basis. The form will guide you to calculate your gain or loss. And if you receive cash or other non-like kind of property, you'll include that as well. Then continue following the lines to calculate your realized gain and recognized gain. And finally, the last part covers certain conflict of interest situation, mostly involving government-related exchanges, and if this doesn't apply, you can usually leave it blank. And that is it. Just go through each line carefully and make sure your numbers are accurate before submitting. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.